handsome.
Hi, Hirsch. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What do you do?
I am a stripper.
Where are your work?
I work table dance.
Okay, very good. How old are you?
I have 22 years old. And you?
I have 20 years old. And I have 21 years old. Yes, we are very young. What's your favorite music?
I like rap.
Of course. And I like to. What's your telephone number?
My cell phone is 5510145506.
Okay, tell me.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.